3,000 years ago, when a woman bled in agony, they didn't call her hysterical. They carried her to moonlit temples, steeped her womb in sacred herbs, sang prayers into her skin. Today, they hand you pills and say, it's normal. But tell me, what's normal about a disease that silently fuses organs? Your foremothers would weep at the betrayal. In Egypt, they used wild yam. In China, Quai. In Greece, lunar baths, remedies that worked for millennia, erased by modern medicine. And in their place, drugs that mask pain while endometriosis devours you. This isn't progress, it's sabotage. Here's what they burned from the records. First secret, donkey. The root Chinese women chewed during cramps. Modern science proves it's 3 times stronger than ibuprofen. Second, rue baths. Roman women soaked to dissolve internal scars. Third, new moon rituals. Your great-grandmothers knew endometriosis is a cycle disease. 15 minutes with heated jasper on your belly cuts pain in half. If a priestess of Isis saw how they treat you today, she'd raise their clinics with holy fire. You don't have to obey. Demand the tests. Record every appointment. Burn the prescriptions and return to the roots. Literally. Want the Forbidden Herbs Guide? Type ancestral below. I'll send it to you. And remember, you carry 300 generations of wisdom in your bones. Wake it up. Your ancestors knew.